Hello, and welcome to Davis Chevrolet. This is a brand new 2020 Chevy Silverado 1500 Z71 Trail Boss in silver. Some of the features include electric adjustable side mirrors, towing, 4x4, automatic headlights, fog lights and cargo lights, cruise control, heated steering wheel, phone compatibility, hands-free phone, hands-free media, push-button ignition, AM, FM, and Sirius XM radio, OnStar, navigation, backup camera, dual zone climate, AC, heated front seats, leather interior, sunroof, sliding rear window, and enough space to comfortably seat 5 with room for storage. So don't miss out on your brand new truck. Hurry into Davis Chevrolet and book a test drive with one of our product specialists today.